we have polenta. And polenta was considered a very poor dish. It was largely eaten in times of war. This dish comes from north of Italy, especially in the area of Friuli Venezia Giulia and even Veneto. You can find it all over the north. Here are some ways how you can present polenta with some cold cuts and some cheeses or even some sausage. To make polenta, you're gonna need 6 cups of water. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, and we're gonna bring the water to a boil. When the water is boiling, we're gonna add our polenta to the water, and we're gonna whisk pretty fast and energetically. Keep mixing until everything is well combined. And now is when our cooking process actually starts. We're gonna lower the heat to a very low setting, and we're gonna let it simmer for an hour. To make sure that the polenta cooks evenly, we have to mix it every 20 minutes. So if it's easier for you, you can set a timer. After 1 hour, the polenta is ready. As you can see, it's less fluid, but still creamy and still manageable. The polenta is ready to be put on a serving plate and bring into the table right away because it's ready to be eaten. Or if you want, you can storage it in the fridge for up to 3 days. And here is your golden polenta, full of the summer sun and sweetness. I sprinkle some of the Parmigiano Reggiano to have the contrast between the sweetness of the polenta and the saltiness of the cheese. This was my recipe. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.